festival unlike any other in a place like no other. Welcome to Festival number 6, the perfect place for a musical adventure. Landing at Festival number 6 is like landing in your very own fairy tale. I mean, the setting is beautiful. It was built by the architect Clough Williams-Ellis, and it took over 50 years to build this amazing village. But Festival number 6 is so much more than just Portmeirion as well. It attracts musicians, authors, talks and installations to create a magical weekend. It's called Festival number 6 for a reason, and Craig, a huge fan of cult 60s TV series The Prisoner, can tell us why. Why number 6, Craig?
Well, obviously, Festival number 6 has taken its name from the original cult TV series of the 60s, in which a prisoner found himself in the village. He was named number 6. Each episode, number 6 was presented with yet another challenge of how to escape.
Makes you wonder why you'd want to leave, because it is so beautiful.
Dwi'n meddwl bod yma'n eitha cyson. Mae'n lle arallfydol I ddod. Sydyn ti'n mynd mewn I ryw fyd bach gwahanol. Mae'n lleoliad eitha anhygoel.
We were watching Lord of the Rings on the way up, and we kind of got to Wales. We were like, hang on a second, it's kind of like Lord of the Rings outside. Like, it's so beautiful.
And I've seen you play a couple of festivals now.
Yeah.
What makes a good festival in your eyes?
I think, like, this is going to sound so hippie, but like trees. I really like trees, like forestry and festivals I think go really, really well.
You let me drown in your light.
You get to play a lot of Welsh festivals. What makes number 6 a special one?
I think it's just the setting, and I've got a special place in my heart for North Wales as well. I think I just love the setting. It's such a beautiful place.
Why do you think we're so good at putting on big and small festivals all across Wales?
Well, we're really good at partying. I think that's definitely what really stands out.
Oh, these waves over my head, pushing me down, 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 down.
Out of the festivals I've done all summer, it's the 2 Welsh ones are the best by far. Green Man and this are really, really fantastic festivals. The environment, the landscape, the vibe here. No, I love coming here, love it. You know, I'm like a big kid.
It's the first time I've been here before, and like walking down, it's just incredible because I kind of sort of knew what to expect, but even then it's amazing.
And what makes a good festival?
I think a good mix, somewhere that offers something outside of music that you can do in your day, so that, you know, you're not spending your whole time running from band to band, new stuff that you wouldn't have ever seen before, something a bit different, which is why we're liking this one so much, because it's like nothing we've been to before.
Mae'n braf cael gwyl sy'n dod â grwpiau rhyngwladol mawr mewn I Rhwla yng Nghymru. Felly mae gynulleidfa wastad I cyffroi.
It's bamboozling and wonderful, and you fall in love with the place. How could you not? It's just a really, really amazing.
Well, as day turns into night time here, there's so much to see and do and explore. You get the feeling that everyone's getting re-energised and that the party is just properly getting started. So I'm going to go and get myself involved.